In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a butterfly pin with a surprising light-up effect using one of Chibitronics' new Animating LED stickers. To get started, locate your large iridescent butterfly piece. Notice that the shiny front side has been scored to make it easier to locate the center. Turn the piece over to its backside and apply a glue dot in the middle. Then flip it back over to the front. Next, remove the backing from a piece of conductive fabric tape. Once the backing has been removed, align the edge of the tape with the scored triangle at the top and wrap it around to the back side. Overlap the glue dot with the conductive fabric tape and trim off the excess. Then place the battery on top of the glue dot with the negative side facing down. The negative side is the bumpy one without writing. Flip the butterfly to the front side and remove the backing from a second piece of conductive fabric tape. Then, starting at the scored line on the front, apply the tape and wrap it around the bottom edge. Adhere the tape on the top positive side of the battery and then trim off the excess. Ensure that the positive and negative pieces of fabric tape don't come into contact with one another, or it will create a short circuit. Next, peel a flower-shaped circuit sticker animation LED from its backing. But before applying it, pay attention to which end is marked negative and which end is marked positive. While your flower sticker may look like it's oriented upside down, you're going to be applying it with the narrower negative end, the one with 2 petals facing upward toward the negative side of the battery, and the wider positive end of the sticker, the one with 3 petals, will connect with the top positive side of the battery. At this point, your flower-shaped animation LED sticker should be gently cycling through the colors of the rainbow. Now that your LED is in place, locate your felt layer. Center a glue dot over its hole, and then position the hole in the felt piece over the LED and press down. Then locate your small, lacy die-cut piece and apply another glue dot on its backside. Center the hole over the felt piece and press down. After adding the die-cut layer, apply a clear rhinestone over the sticky LED to help diffuse the light. And to give your pin added dimension, you can gently lift the edges of the wings if desired. To transform this butterfly into a wearable, take the large white backing piece and add a glue dot to one or both of its wingtips. This will hold the pieces together while giving you easy access to the battery should you wish to turn it off or replace it. place the light up piece on top of the backing piece. The last step is to add a pin back and it's ready to wear.